This is the Dell Optiplex-GX280 desktop mini tower form factor. This is not a trash picked computer. I actually got this as part of a lot of computers I bought on Craigslist. This system originally had a Intel Pentium 4 Prescott that was a 32-bit processor. However, it was possible for me to upgrade it to a 64-bit processor. However, I would like to note that this process only works if if you have a spare Intel Pentium 4 Prescott 500 series processor for the LGA 775 socket. In my case, I used a Intel Pentium 4 521, which is a 2.8 GHz hyper-threaded processor. This will not work if the processor you're intending to use is a Intel Pentium 4 600 series Prescott processor or a Intel Core 2 Duo or Quad processor, because those aren't supported by the chipset. The computer currently has 4 GB of RAM, a 40 GB hard drive, 2 optical drives, Intel integrated graphics, I successfully tested this computer with Open Media Vault as well as NAS for free. In both cases, I was able to install the 64-bit versions of those network attached storage distributions. As you can see, the processor that's installed supports x86-64 as well as hyperthreading. As you can see, there are 4 1 GB sticks of RAM installed. Even though 4 GB of RAM is detected in the BIOS, the most any operating system, any 64-bit operating system can see is only around 3 GB. This is most likely due to a hardware limitation. Of the chipset. As I mentioned earlier, this system currently just has the Intel integrated graphics. There is an available PCI X16 slot. Just in case someone would want to turn this into a gaming system. Instead of installing Lubuntu or LXLE or Linux Mint, I chose to install Elementary-OS, which is a Ubuntu-based distribution. And the current build only works on 64-bit x86 systems. As you can see, the current operating system installed is Elementary-OS-0.4, which is codenamed Loki, and it's built on Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. Well, that'll be all for this video. Thank you for watching.